Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Heavy rain of over 200 millimeters in 24 hours caused flooding in parts of Antalya province in Turkey on Thursday. Many of the areas affected saw severe flooding just days earlier. According to the Turkish State Meteorological Service, recorded 253.8 millimeters of rain in 24 hours. The district of Kumluca recorded 207.8 millimeters during the same period. Raging floods swept through areas of Kumluca and Finike districts. Several buildings were damaged and vehicles were swept away. A bridge collapsed in Kumluca, causing transport problems near Ortaköy and Toptas villages. 112 Emergency said they received 500 calls for assistance. The provincial government said crops and farms suffered severe damage. Schools have been closed in affected areas. The provincial government reported flooding caused damage to 650 vehicles, around 118 houses, 850 commercial premises or workplaces, and over 1,500 hectares of crops and farmland. The area saw similar flooding in late November. On 29 November, rain flooded streets in Kas and Finike districts, while heavy hail was reported in Kumluca district. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our next video.